Hi dear viewers, today we are going to discuss about 14, 8000er. The term, 8000er, refers to a group of mountains in the world that are over 8,000 meters 26,247 feet in height above sea level. These mountains are located primarily in the Himalayas and the Karakoram range, and they are known for their extreme altitude and challenging climbing conditions. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, there are 14 recognized 8000ers in the world. Here is a list of these mountains in descending order of their height. Mount Everest 8,848.86 meters 29,031.7 feet, located in the Himalayas, on the border between Nepal and China-Tibet. K2 8,611 meters 28,251 feet, located in the Karakoram range on the border between Pakistan and China Gilgit-Baltistan region. Kanchenjunga 8,586 meters 28,169 feet, located in the Himalayas, on the border between Nepal and India Sikkim. Lhotse 8,516 meters 27,940 feet, located in the Himalayas, on the border between Nepal and China Tibet. It is connected to Mount Everest by the South Col. Makalu 8,485 meters 27,838 feet, located in the Himalayas, on the border between Nepal and China Tibet. Cho Oyu 8,188 meters 26,864 feet, located in the Himalayas, on the border between Nepal and China Tibet. Dhaulagiri I 8,167 meters 26,795 feet, located in the Himalayas, in Nepal. Manaslu 8,163 meters 26,781 feet, located in the Himalayas, in Nepal. Nanga Parbat 8,126 meters 26,660 feet, located in the Himalayas, in Pakistan. Annapurna I 8,091 meters 26,545 feet, located in the Himalayas, in Nepal. Gasherbrum 8,080 meters 26,509 feet, located in the Karakoram range, on the border between Pakistan and China Gilgit-Baltistan region. Broad Peak 8,047 meters 26,401 feet, located in the Karakoram range, on the border between Pakistan and China Gilgit-Baltistan region. Gasherbrum 2 8,035 meters 26,362 feet, located in the Karakoram range, on the border between Pakistan and China Gilgit-Baltistan region. Shishapangma 8,027 meters 26,335 feet, located in the Himalayas, on the border between Nepal and China Tibet. Please note that mountain heights can vary slightly due to natural factors and updated measurements. It's always advisable to refer to the latest sources for the most accurate and up-to-date information on these mountains. Hopefully you have enjoyed the video. If you want to watch more shorts videos with greater knowledge, visit our channel and do subscribe this channel for upcoming new videos. We will meet again with new video. Till then.